Hola! Today we're bringing you a very simple but very delicious recipe that we love to share in Spain when eating lunch or dinner with our friends. It's called broken eggs or huevos rotos. So, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First of all, we grab 1 potato per person and we wash it well and peel it. Now we cut it like that, long-shaped. And then we wash it. This is to remove all the starch in the potatoes. We give it a good rinse. Shake it well, and now dry them completely before frying. For frying, we're going to use a good amount of olive oil, of course. And when it's really nice and hot, we add the potatoes carefully. Add salt at taste. Stir them from time to time, and when it's golden brown and crispy, it's time to take them out. We want to remove the excess oil, that's why we're using some kitchen towels. Once the potatoes are ready, you can fry the eggs, also in hot olive oil. You may want to have 1 or 2 eggs per person. And finally, in Spain we use jamon, but you can use any meat you like for this, like we're doing here. Presentation time. First of all, the potatoes at the bottom. On top of that, we break our meat. And finally, we put the eggs on top. A little touch of paprika is advised. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's break the eggs, our huevos rotos. The name comes from that. Looks beautiful. And let's try to get a little bit of everything. Let's see. This is gorgeous, wonderful. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.